Greetings, sawubona Dumela. Ngiyathemba ukuthi right igama lami nguSinengwa kaNene. But of course if uyaphila semhlabeni efana nawe guests to call me uAntama 2K and nami ngiyi2K. Njengenjayelo Select Africa TV is out and about at the Next Chapter restaurant and I am here to do my job. Ukudluka sketi, uthi ufuna ukugudluza isketi sika Sine. Gugu. Sine gugu.
Babona ngobona sekunama camera nje. Ngoba phela sasigcina sikhuluma ngalesi sikhathi lesiyana. Angazi noma usakhumbula sasikhulume ngani.
Angisakhumbuli.
Awusakhumbuli.
Angazi ngifake emqondweni lonke.
Akazi ifike emqondweni.
So please stay tuned, stick around, keep it locked so you can find out how all of that unfolds. Good day, namhlanje. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Select Africa TV, and follow us across all social media platforms. Select Africa TV is Oxeta. So if you'd also like to be on the show, go now in a crash, go somebody, spilele on the email address down below, and so when